Hello everyone and welcome to the 7th tutorial on how to make a Gmod map. In this tutorial we'll be doing a teleportation hub where people can go through different portals and teleport around the map. So to get started you're going to get the block tool, make a little box under your map about 1000 units wide, 1500 on this side, about 500 up, and make sure it's thick enough over here about 1000 units long. Press enter, go under the map, make sure it's a no draw texture. Apply tall faces, put it down a little bit, tools, make hollow, and do 32. Press enter. And now you can go inside of this. So now you're going to texture it, you're going to look for a wood texture for the floor. This can be whatever you want, but I'm just using this as an example. I'm going to look for a wall texture. I'll choose this one. And a roof texture. A lot of the time people just use floor textures because it's pretty similar to roof textures. So I'll use that. Actually, you can create a glass roof if you just go into your select solids and you shift drag this down, make sure it's 1 unit wide, look for a glass texture. I'll use this one. Apply tall faces. Look for this one, browse. Tools, skybox. Apply to all faces. Now you're going to want to create your info player start. It's going to roughly place them. Now to create the actual teleports, you're going to look for this wall on the map. Make sure you're facing the right direction. I'm going to create a block here. Make sure you got a nice metal texture. Put this about that tall. You can shift drag this over. Press Ctrl C, Ctrl Shift V, and you can just drag this up. Now to create the actual trigger, you're going to want to create a block inside of this by using the block tool. Bring it down, look for the trigger material. Sorry, wrong thing. Press enter and that should automatically apply. Press Ctrl T, trigger underscore, press Ctrl T, yeah. Trigger underscore teleport. Enter, apply. Go to flags and make sure clients is ticked. Click apply. We're going to make this frame a func detail by pressing Ctrl T. Select all this, bring it over by shift dragging it. So select grips, shift drag, about 4 times. Now you're going to want to make the remote destination for this first one teleport 1. So teleport 1. Make this one teleport 2. Teleport 3. And finally teleport 4. Should be all fine. Now go to the top of your map. This is just a spawn point, but these are I'm not going to do this from actual map. This is going to be for yours. So what you're going to do is get the entity tool over here, info underscore teleport underscore destination. Place it here. This is for the first one. You want to make it teleport 1. Make sure it's the same name as the one that you set down here. So it's teleport 1. That's the destination. And this is teleport 1 right here as well. Now you're going to choose another spawn point. I'm going to choose over here. teleport to. Over here, teleport 3. And finally, put one here, teleport 4. Apply. That should be all. Teleporting's a pretty simple thing to do. Once you get the hang of it, it should be good. Now these are all linked. The color of this should be black. If they're not, then you didn't set up the names correctly on your teleport. This needs to be the same as the info_player destination. See, for example, if you see this, then that's the case. So that should be it. It should work. Once you go in here, it should teleport you to in front of the fountain, and it should be the same for all the rest. Teleports here and over there. So that is it for this tutorial. Before I end it, you can check this my Discord. So this invite's going to be in the description. I'm just going to put this in the description. You're just going to have to go to add server at the bottom here, join server, paste it in here. You can see that I have different video suggestions like here, teleport hub tutorial. 5 people upvoted, 1 downvote, so that's why I'm making this tutorial. So I'll have that in the description, be sure to join. Alright, see you all in the next tutorial.